took so long. Okay, open up that code to 120.11, please. Now, all we're learning today is understanding when we get a question that pertains to sizing or calculating the load, we want to understand what the question is asking, and then we want to understand what the code is actually saying. I don't have a question in front of me, but if I were